Hi everyone. Welcome back to English Boost Express. Today's phrase is, get the hang of it. It means to learn or improve something after practicing. Let's break it down and see how it works. In this scene, the person is practicing riding a bike. At first, it's difficult to balance, but with each try, they improve and finally succeed. This is a perfect example of what it means to get the hang of it. Another way to use this phrase could be, I didn't know how to ride a bike at first, but now I've gotten the hang of it. Here's another example. A child is learning to tie their shoes. At first, it's a bit tricky, but after a few attempts, they start getting it right. We can say they're starting to get the hang of it. You might also say, it took me some time to get the hang of tying shoelaces, but now it's easy. In this scene, the person is trying a new video game. At the beginning, they struggle to figure out the controls, but with practice, they start winning and having fun. This is another moment where you can say they've gotten the hang of it. For example, I couldn't win at this game before, but now I've finally gotten the hang of it. Now it's your turn. Think of a situation where you've gotten the hang of it. Maybe learning a sport, trying a new recipe, or improving your English skills. Share your experience in the comments below. Great job today. You've learned how to use get the hang of it in different situations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone learning new skills. See you next time on English Boost Express.